Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. There is recruitment from the Siemens company. As you all know that Siemens is an MNC company, and Siemens is currently hiring for software engineer fresher. Okay, for software engineer they are hiring, and fresher candidates they require. Location is Bangalore. Job research and development. Okay, so you can apply from here. Job description, you can read here. They have mentioned the company information here, and what will be your responsibilities after joining Siemens. Fully responsible for developing web-based UI applications using defined technology stack. Fully responsible for design implementation software based on defined architecture. Okay, then you need to do requirement engineering, prepare user stories, then derive use cases and subsequently product requirements. Frequently required to conceive ideas and prepare quick pre-development prototypes for internal review and assess the technical feasibility of the use cases. Okay, then skills, they haven't mentioned anything, but yeah, they have mentioned this point here. The fresher candidates required for developing web-based UI application. Okay, then qualification B, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA candidates, and they have directly mentioned that they are looking fresher developer from fresher who is responsible for developing web-based UI application using defined technology stack. Qualification B, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, as already mentioned here. Experience 0 plus years of experience in design and development. If you are a fresher, still you can apply. If you are having suppose 1 year or 1.5 years of experience, then also still you can apply. Okay, and then you good to have C++ or Angular, Python, object oriented thinking, basic design principles and patterns. It consists the software development lifecycle, SDLC and STLC. I repeat, SDLC, software development lifecycle, and STLC T. Okay, then multiple OS Linux, focus Debian Linux, basic information required. But yeah, if you are a fresher, don't worry about this. Don't worry about this point. If you don't know about this operating system, then you just do a little more search on your on Google, search about this operating system and gain some knowledge, so that whenever the interviewer will ask you about this operating system, then you can give the answer properly. Okay, then software development process methodologies, verification, validation. Okay, like that. Under testing they ask software testing, what is bug, error, unit testing, integration testing, black box testing, white box testing, all these things it includes here and here as well. Okay, OOPS concept, that is object oriented programming concept, that is must. Every interviewer will ask you the first question, the basic OOPS concept. Okay, but yeah, whenever you will give answer for the OOPS concept, please remember that not to give answer in theory. Just explain everything. As you all know that OOPS concept are polymorphism, abstraction, inheritance. Okay, so what you need to do, you explain these things, these OOPS concept in practical way, so that interviewer, uh, uh, he or she he or she can't reject you. Okay, because if you explain these concept very well, then definitely she will select you, that interviewer will select you. Okay, so remember this point. Then analytical object oriented thinking and problem solving skills, presentation skills. Okay, then full stack development, both front end and back end. Microservices architecture, it includes in the Java. Okay, experience in agile methods, continuous delivery and test driven. Development architecture, design principle and pattern. Domain, industrial automation, HMI and SCADA products. Okay, then industrial internet of things, search about this on Google, okay, and gain some knowledge, so that interviewer will ask sometime, then you can give reply. Then company name Siemens Technology, experience level early professional, job type full time. Okay, so this is a job vacancy for only for fresher candidates. There is nothing mentioned that you should from this batch or this batch. If you are from 2018, 19, 20, 21 batch, you can apply for this position, because this is mainly for fresher candidates. Okay, and one more thing, that any organization, as we all know that to apply for any drive there is some particular criteria, eligibility criteria. But yeah, your aggregate, your CGPA marks only applicable for to eligible for the drive only. After that, it depends on your skills only. Everything in the interview as well, it depends on your skills. Okay, so these skills matter, all these skills matter. Okay, so please apply for this position, don't miss this chance. Okay, and thanks for watching this video.